Hi everyone, my name is Diksha and in this video, I'm going to be giving you a few activities that you can utilize in your classroom to make your language learning fun. This video can benefit both learners and teachers. So the first activity is actually a discussion activity. Now, discussion activities are excellent for creative thinking and especially for tests such as IELTS and TOEFL. They can benefit students a lot because in these tests, what is checked is their ability to express and justify their opinion. So that is why the first activity would be debates. It's an excellent way of brainstorming more ideas, learning how to justify them, how to support and develop them properly. So the first thing that you can do is come up with 10 topics, or you could just Google some topics which are debatable and sit with your friend and argue. The next activity is again very similar, an extempory. So for this also you would need at least 2 participants. This is quite close to speaking part 2, where you get 1 minute to prepare and then you need to give a monologue. So you could come up with difficult topics for your opponent, give them a minute to win it and have someone judge your competition. Alright, the third activity is actually more like a fun game. So again, 2 participants are required. Now papers and pencils and create mind maps. So come up with one topic, let's say technology, and both of you need to create mind maps on it. Whoever has the biggest mind map wins. So include all vocabulary related to technology, collocations, idioms, anything that you can come up with. For example, cutting edge technology, high-end gadgets and gizmos, so everything like that. And at the end, after the competition is done, you could also use thesaurus to come up with some more uncommon words. And finally, the last one is again a game. I would recommend Wordle, or simply pick up the newspaper and the crossword. These would be the best places since they would ignite that lost spark between you and your passion, which is the language. So let me know if these work out for you and drop more suggestions in the comment box below.